To clean the HEPA filter in Eufy C10, first of all we'll need to remove the dustbin from our robot, and then we can click on this hatch right here and open it. Now you can remove your HEPA filter. Now also you can remove the entire filter from its cover, and after that you'll be able to clean it, but you shouldn't use water, as this filter cannot be cleaned with water. It will be damaged, and just don't do that. To clean it instead you will need to put it on some trash or something and just tap on it like this to remove any dust or residue inside. You can also use something that is not watered to try to clean between those gaps, but at the same time it needs to be very thin, not to damage those lines, as they need to be perfectly sided like that. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.